rally here. Ever since we launched the Hive Hero membership, I've been able to justify working one day on Hive Workshop, and today I want to show you what I've been working on lately so you know you're getting your money's worth. Here I'm looking at General Frank's Carousel tank, and we have this button, View Usage, which allows you to see where it's been being used. Right, this one is being used in the BT survival map. So what if you want to see where your model is being used without uploading it to Hive? Perhaps it's a private model, perhaps it's a model meant to be private and you want to see if somebody's using it and they shouldn't, or whatever reason you might have. So now we have the asset scanner in the menu here, allowing you to upload either a map or an asset such as a model or texture. So here I'm uploading a model and scanning it, and now it's processing, and here we go. This model, Moark Overlord, is being used in the following places here. And it's the model is stored on this server, but it gets deleted within. I don't think it's actually getting saved, it's just storing the hash of it. Anyway, so here we can see where the model is being used. Alright, so it also has the ability to look at maps. So here we have Arcane True Story Demo by Shardundred, and we can see here resources in use, allowing us to see what resources is being used by this map. Now we can also scan a map by uploading it here without submitting it to the site. Here I'm submitting Demonic Sword. It's a big map, it's more than 100 megabytes, so it'll take a little while to process it. I made sure that maps greater than 100 megabytes can be uploaded to this form because the site has limitations in attachments and pastebin and stuff for this, and I felt that it was necessary in here, particularly for it to work in scanning. Yes, so now we can see Demonic Sword is using 33 pages of things. And as with the view usage, it shows if multiple bundles contain the same file, it wouldn't know which of those bundles is being used, and it tells us which files caused the conflict here. So now I've uploaded a map, and I see what assets are in use. What I've been asked to do is also to make a text version. And here you get more or less the credits list needed to use it on Hive. Let's copy that just for fun and put it in the paste bin here. And save. And we get this list, which is pretty neat. There will be some cleanup by you. I mean, it's not, you won't necessarily be using all 4 of these. It's just because they conflicted in the files. So you may need to clean up, but it's a really good starting point if you have not created a credits list and you're being hassled by a reviewer to create one. Okay, so next is, if you've ever uploaded an icon, you have seen that you can upload the raw icon and hit post, and the result is the icon gets the standard Warcraft 3 borders. Now, I have been requested to make it so you can create or add borders to an icon without submitting it to the site. Maybe you're making it for your own project and it's an icon that might not be alright to use on Hive or something like that. So now we have the new icon Borderiser here. You can upload 64 by 64 icons, resulting in SD, and 256 by 256 for HD. So let's try uploading an icon here. I'm uploading a classic icon. This one is 64 by 64, and I hit Borderize, and it creates a pastebin entry for me. So now I have the normal BTN and disabled and passive and disabled and autocast and so on. Yeah, and and a convenient zip at the bottom with the BLP version of the icon, and also a link to it here, and the import paths. And the zip also has a README. Now, I want to show you icon Borderiser with an HD icon. Cool moose here. Let's upload that. So now we have a HD borders added to an icon here. And once again, a zip for you to download. To summarize, we have a new asset scanner that works with models, textures, and maps, and can create a text credits list. We have an icon Borderiser that can create both SD and HD icons. And at the end, I just want to thank our Hive heroes for justifying me spending a full day a month working on the site. It's really nice to be able to do this, to justify the work, to tell my wife I'm going to work on Hive. That's pretty cool. Well, thanks everyone. Bye.